Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Trade with Sumant. So today we are going to discuss what's going to happen in the market for next week and all. So let's start with the market analysis. Generally, I would like to start with the Nifty mid small, where we will get the you know both small cap and mid cap. So what happening here is a strong week has been formed last week only. This was Tuesday, 9 December. So from that, small pullback happened, and again it came back down, and now again one wick has formed, hammer has formed. So which is a very bullish sign, and a very good closing has been in the Nifty Mid Small Cap. So, and if it goes above this, it will be more bullish, right? And we can expect, since market is moving in this channel, it may go up some 2 to 3% up. Okay. So next, coming back to the other indices like Nifty. Nifty also from 50 MA bouncing back very nicely. So as you can see here, on 11th December, so this downtrend was again pullback happened, sorry, bounce back happened, and small pullback, and now again it is a bouncing back. It is forming a W pattern. So for next week, it Nifty also looks good. CNS 500 also same kind of pattern you can see, and yep, mid small cap also. I think Nifty mid small. So same kind of pattern you can see W pattern. So we can expect some 2.5 to 3% rally in Nifty mid cap also, right? So small cap also it is bounce back, but we should be little bit away from the small cap. But for the next month, it can next week it can pull back up to here, right? Let's see whether it happens or not. So for next week, everything looks bullish. So now market looks bullish for a week. So let's look for the sectors which we can benefit from here. So if I go back to indices, so auto is in the cusp of breaking out. So this also looks good. So oil and gas from a really good bounce back from 50 EMA. This also looks good. And then coming back to mid cap, as we discussed already, pharma is also bouncing back. This also looks good. But where like is metal. Metal are really good gap up and breakout happened after the 100 EMA bounce back, and it is tightening here. It may move really well. It may break out for Monday also, right? So same goes with IT. Uh, it also already above all the EMA is very bullish, right? And you can see that there are some news popping up in the Friday, Saturday, Sunday that Infosys ADR also moved crazily and closed 5% up, which is also really bullish. Um, and PSU Bank, after a really good rally, took one pullback, bounced back from 50 EMA, and it is tightening now. It may give a move this week, right? So these are the sectors we should be focusing on. One sector, which is if I have to rank the sectors where I am bullish, first one would be the metal, right? Second one would be the IT. Third one would be the PSU Bank. IT is already little bit up. That's the reason. In metal, we can get really good opportunities. We will discuss about that also next, right? So now we discussed about the market. Market is bullish for the next week. And second thing is the sectors. The three sectors. Auto also you can consider. Pharma also consider. If I have to rank the sectors, first one is the metal. Second one is the IT. IT, the place it is in is little bit concerning. It may pause next week. It may not give that much move. So that is why. So and PSU Bank also looks really good. So metal, PSU Bank, IT, auto sector may break out. Right. So where is auto? Auto. Yes. Auto sector really good bounce back happened on the Friday also. Let's see if it breaks out from here with a good volume. Right. Coming back to defense is like too much low. We should not touch these kind of stocks, which were moved really well on the Friday. 2% of defense was, but it is above below all the EMAs, and 200 EMA, all the EMA crossover has happened. Small pullback may come, and again it may consider downward journey. So I am not interested in the defense sector as of now. If it becomes bullish again, let's see that. So now coming back to the sectors, we are bullish on first one is metal, second one is the PSU bank, IT, right? And then auto, and then pharma. These are the top five sectors which I am interested in. Okay. So next, coming back to the opportunities, this is the final watch list we have considered where we the stocks are there which we want to be invested in. Okay. There is TMCV where we entered here. We are already in some in 8 to 10% you know 11% profit in the last I think in 11 days, in last 11 days, right? So Hindustan Zinc we have entered here in this zone. Let's see how it plays out. So Hindustan Zinc again comes into the metal sector. Anybody wants to add on to it, they can add on to it more. National Aluminium also comes into the metal sector. See, a really good buying has been happened in 6 days, 18-19%, which is really good. And then a small buying has been happened here, bounce back from 10 EMA, and now it is tightening. So as tightening is happening in the metal sector, National Aluminium also get the most of it. So Hindustan Copper, the pattern of it is like it will come back to 10 EMA, it will bounce back. Come back to 10 EMA, it will bounce back. Now the change of character has been happened. It is staying above the 10 EMA. Let's see how it works out. So this is also a metal stock which I am interested in. So apart from that, Sanduma we entered on Friday. Sorry, Ashapur Mine Camp we entered on Friday. Sanduma we entered on Friday. So Sanduma can be added. So whichever is the green stocks are there can be entered now also, can be tried now also. So yep. So Sanduma is there, which is we are interested in. So I will share this watch list link also in the below. And you can also join to our WhatsApp group called Mr. Market where we will be sharing insights and everything. I will share the link of this also. Uh, uh, but it is for only the mature people. We will discuss about our investment, trading thesis and all also. So again, coming back to the list of stocks, I will share this watch list with you. This is the final watch list we have. So now these are the stocks which are there. And now coming back to the opportunities, there is something called as like this is like the number one opportunity which I have found called Zuari Industries. Zuari Agrochemicals. So what happened with Zuari was it went up 83% in 15 days, and then 200 EMA bounce back first time. Second, first time bounce back happened, 6 days, 23% move, and again bounce back happened here, right? So, and now third bounce back happening by 10 AMA, and this is more cleaner also, right? More clear, 4 days, 15% move, which is what I want, right? Since all 500 mid small cap, everything is bullish, we can try this with aggressiveness, right? So now small pullback happened. It is forming a inside bar. Means selling is being absorbed and it can move any day. So what I will be doing here is yesterday's high. This is 317. If it goes above 317, I will be buying this and my stop loss will be 302. Right, 5 rupees stop loss and risk to reward is also very, very less, right? It is 4%. And if it goes, it will go 20%, 30%. It may go this high also, break that also. We will track that. We will keep on discussing about this, right? So this is one stock which I am very much bullish on. Second one is SMC Global. So 50% rally has been happened in last 14 days. And since there is a, this little bit small pullback is there, and it is again showing the bounce back. So uh, this candle 6% is the 5.5%, so I will be if 86 above it goes, I will be adding it. And stop loss will be the 82 rupees. So this is one stock. And ESAB is there. ESAB is, see, if I have to again list it down, Zuari is where I am very much bullish on. SMC Global is okay, okay. And ESAB is also okay, okay. I will not discuss about this. Same thought process. Good buying has been happened, and here also it has opened gap up and it has given good buying. And 10 EMA bounce back with the hammer kind of structure, and we can keep the stop loss of 10 EMA breakage. Right? So info being also something. Jain Resources is something. It is the IPO setup. Right? Generally, what happens means whenever it moves like 30% in 15 days. So now one fall happened and again it bounced back and it is tightening at the 10 EMA. So this is also, these are three, four stocks which is in my radar. Anyway, I will share the watch list. But one stock which I'm very much bullish is on Zuari. It is the stock of the day. So you can, take some investment here and we will discuss about this, how it goes on. So that's all about in this video. Do like this video if you find it insightful. And yeah, you can join to our WhatsApp group and get the most of it. That's all for today. Thank you.